YouTube video stuck on processing while uploading? You're not alone. It's frustrating, right? You spend hours editing the perfect video only to see that annoying processing message. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it fast. Let's face it, uploading to YouTube should be simple, but when your video just won't process, it feels like hitting a brick wall. And the worst part, it happens all the time. According to YouTube stats, over 500 hours of videos are uploaded every minute. So yeah, processing issues are pretty common. But why does it happen? Well, there are several reasons, and some of them might surprise you. First, file size and format are major culprits. If your video file is too large or in the wrong format, YouTube might struggle to process it. That's why YouTube recommends using MP4 with an H.264 codec. It's faster and more reliable. Second, your internet connection could be the problem. Slow upload speeds equals to slow processing. Did you know that the average internet upload speed in the US is just 23 Mbps? If your connection is slower than that, it's going to take a while. And here's one you might not have thought of: YouTube servers overload. If you're uploading during peak hours like evenings or weekends, YouTube servers might be swamped with traffic. Corrupted video files are another common issue. If the file isn't encoded properly or got damaged during editing, YouTube will have trouble processing it. And don't forget about copyright issues. If your video contains copyrighted material or sensitive content, YouTube might pause processing while it checks for violations. Okay, so now that you know why it happens, let's talk about how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Run a quick speed test. If your upload speed is under 10 Mbps, you might need to upgrade your plan or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Step 2. Convert your video to a YouTube-friendly format. MP4 with H.264 is the gold standard. Keep your resolution at 1080p and your frame rate at 30 FPS for faster processing. Step 3. Compress large files. A video over 2 GB will take longer to process. Use a tool like Handbrake to reduce the file size without losing quality. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Also, try switching to incognito mode. You'd be surprised how often that works. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can interfere with YouTube uploads, so turn them off while you upload. Step 6. Restart the upload. If all else fails, cancel the upload, refresh your browser, and try again. Step 7. Check for copyright or content issues. YouTube will flag these in YouTube Studio, so make sure your content is clean and compliant. Now let's talk about how to prevent this from happening in the future. Keep your file size under 2 GB when possible, use the right format, and upload during off-peak hours like early mornings or weekdays. And here's a pro tip: use a video compressor before you upload to save time. Smaller files process faster. It's that simple. So next time you see that annoying processing message, don't panic. Follow these steps and you'll be back to creating awesome content in no time. Got another YouTube tips or upload hacks? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Alright, that's it for today. Happy uploading.